Welcome back to the Basic Bikers YouTube channel. It's Mark, the AyrshireVlogster here. Joined today with Davey, DarkVisor. We've got ScotNav. He's got his son with him today. And Chris, ThrottleDaft's here, but he's inside at MCS at the moment. So we're starting off again at MCS in Kilmarnock. MCS Motorcycles, Yamaha dealer. Crooked Home Kilmarnock, who have came on board to support us and support the channel. So once everything gets back to normal and we can get out in the bikes or the demo bikes, then we'll get some first ride reviews of the Yamaha fleet that they've got. So on that list is MT-07, MT-09, MT-10, XSR, R1 that you can see there. I'm just getting shouted in, so I'll catch you in a wee sec. So that's me back. So there's the MT-10, XSR 900, got the R1, got tracers. So you'll be seeing a lot of first ride review videos by myself or one of the rest of the team. So MCS have came on board to support the channel. We're just working out the ins and outs of it just now, but they're definitely giving us access to bikes to go and do first ride reviews. It'll not be long term bikes, like we'll not get a bike for a week, it'll be for a couple of hours to do what needs to be done. So generally, once things get back to semi-normal, you should see a lot more. But today's video is, we're away to shoot an intro using the drone, Mavic Air Mini, DGI is it they call it? DGI Mavic Air Mini. So the 4 years I've got to do that today. Scott's son is going to fly the drone while we work out some sort of intro for the channel. So I'll catch up with you soon. Cheers! So this is us doing the drone shots for the intro. Try to be different.
Go for that side. Start for that side. Get Chris last. Right, we're ready, aye?
Aye.
Smile, you fuckers. Oh, don't be different. Alright.
So this is going to be the intro shot, or part of it.
Pressure's on now, he's going to fuck it up. Well, he's going to be flying it for 18 minutes.
So it's the DJI Mavic Air Mini, methinks. Look at the drone.
Get your boobs out.
Take 432. So unfortunately the Wayne's not here today. MT-07 kid is working, so he's out the picture again. Who, me? Aye. Can put a wee 5-minute video together, can't I? Everything helps.
The making of.
The making of. So we're at Irvine Beach Park for this. Aye.
That's a tank. That's me. That's a tank.
Do what the director tells you.
I'm bumming up.
Fantastic pieces of equipment.
I know what he's doing there. I know what he's doing.
So it is.
Lift a bit. Lift.
Hmm.
Lift. 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 Right, scoot in. Right, back up to there. Why scoot into these?
I can feel the sweat running down my back.
Let's no fucking damn yourself. Fucking Spielberg you're here. Yeah! I'm Rishi. Stop! That's close, isn't it?
To be fair, he can fly the drone, eh?
That's a bit of shape.
Woo! Oh, that's us. And get with the scarf. It's toasty hot. Right, catch up with you soon. Right, that's us. Drone footage has been shot. It's going to our chief editor to edit it into an intro, and we're going to put a video up of what we've done today from myself and from ScotNav, where he'll, don't know if we'll put music to the drone footage, but obviously we've shot a lot more than just the intro. And that's us heading back for another day. Cool. So that's us. Right guys, take it easy. Well done. Look forward to the video. See you. See you later. So that's us heading. That was good fun shooting that intro. Really enjoyed that. Having some drone footage will always make a massive difference. So Ryan's going to edit it all and then send it to us. And then he'll probably end up doing a video of the actual, or the rest of the footage he caught with the drone. He might do a voiceover or put that to music. So another thing to remember is our 500 giveaway across Instagram, Facebook group and the channel, YouTube channel. So as soon as each one of them hits 500, we're giving away a free hoodie, random. So get following, get subscribing or become a member. As you probably heard at the beginning of the video, MCS is going to support us with bikes for the demo fleet for first ride reviews. So what you'll get is the latest model. We'll get it for a couple of hours or whatever time frame they can spare it for. So that should keep you up to date with the latest model and the latest tech that's on the models. We're really looking forward to that. So that's me, just about there. So if you liked the video, hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, check out the other videos. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you know when I'm uploading. Don't forget to hit the bell. To my current subscribers, thanks for your continued support. As always, appreciate it very much. So that's me. So stop watching the video and get out and ride.